Hello, garden lovers. I'm here at a park and I wanted to check out to see their flower arrangements. Here they have beautiful flower arrangements, but it's now like October, the first week of October, and a lot of the flowers are gone, but I want to go see the perennial garden. So maybe I will be able to share with you some of the perennials that are here, and at the same time I'm wondering if I can't take a few dropped seeds. Would that be legal? I don't know. Fragile plants, it says. Il est strictement défendu de quitter les chemins. It is strictly forbidden to leave the aisle. What do they mean? What's this? This is really nice. What is this, guys? You know what that is? That's beautiful. What do they mean by... Oh, I have some of that. Heuchera, is that what it's called? I was calling it Heuchera, but it's Heuchera. So that grows better in the shade, I think. Oh, it is strictly forbidden to leave the aisle. I think they mean to not go walk into the garden. Look at these pretties here. Look at that. I gotta find out what that is. Hang on. Look at this hydrangea tree here. Oh my. That is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, there's another one right there. It's huge. Look at that. I didn't think that they'd get that big. I gotta come back in the summer. I want to show you these flowers, how pretty they are. Look at these here. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to check to see what this is. You know what? I'm liking the mulch with just that one side of wood there. That's an idea. That's an idea also for at home. I like that. Isn't fall just beautiful? My husband's over there. I just love fall. Oh, fall, I love fall. Oh, more toad lilies. Is this it? No, this is not the same thing. I'm really liking this English ivy here. It's really nice. Oh, it's a little chilly today. We got some really nice grasses here. What are these here? Look at the color. Oh, chili. Oh, wow. What is that? What is this? Purple. I like that. What is this, guys? Do you know what this is? Oh, look at these steps. I really wish I could figure out a way to have some steps in my garden. Everything's just flat, right? Those nice steps. Well, it is fall. What is this here? Oh, what is that? A froggy. Hello, frog. Hello, froggy. Hi, froggy. Hello. Cutie. See how they tied up all of these tall grasses? And I just asked ChatGPT and he says, yep, that we should do that in the fall so that it doesn't break, you know, it stops it from breaking the stems and whatnot, and it stops it also from having too much, I guess, snow accumulated in there. So when I get home, I guess I'm going to do that. I'm learning today. Now this is definitely a cool idea. Look at all these. They put these plants in pots. And they did like a wall. Of course, guys, it's fall. Everything's dying out. It's only normal the time of year we're at. I want to get a tree like that. Wow, what is that? It's just gorgeous. We definitely have to come back in the summer. Look at this, guys. It's probably really nice in the summer, but right on the top of this little, I don't know what you call this little, anyhow, right on the rooftop, they have stuff growing up there on the top. My husband says, hey, we're not going to do our rooftop. Why don't we just put flowers, more flowers? So I'm just having a look at this here. Ideas for maybe next fall. I love that silver whatchamahoots, and the grass is back there. Very, very nice. Oh, I have those. The yellow, whatchamacallits. This is just pretty. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, wow. You know, I have these. Oh, wow, there's red on it. But the leaves are not like that. It's like a mix. Look at that. Look at the mix. It's like, it's the same plant. Pretty, pretty. All right, so I just checked, and this is an eastern white pine. Can someone tell me why it's growing like this? Is this, if I go underneath, it's just growing crooked? Look, pine cones are hiding. Oh, it's so soft. That is so soft. Really cool. This is so sad. They cut everything down. It's that time of year. Oh, everything, all the coneflowers are cut down. What were these? I'm not sure what these were. Look at this grass. Look at how cool that is. That is so cool. I'm so anxious for next season. But, you know, it is what it is. You gotta go through the seasons for them to come back beautiful. It's just so much. Squirrels everywhere. Now, what is this? I gotta find out. My husband just said, because we're out here, he just said, I think I'm gonna get into gardening also. He says, I love the arrangements. He says, not necessarily learning about the flowers, but I love the way they do arrangements. I just found this little area here, which I find really cute. They put a whole bunch of logs, and then a rock, and more logs. I'm just, you know, looking for some ideas. Okay, so I guess that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to show you guys this little park, how beautiful some of these flowers and arrangements are. These trees and just everything. It's huge. This park is huge. So thanks for hanging out with me today on this nice fall stroll around the park before winter hits. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.